No.
14 a.m. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the street.
No, why do I keep doing
With damage. Seek shelter now. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 489, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Catturton, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and more. And the following
They guilty or underestimated. Like, I would not think he was going to win a nomination. He might have underestimated. Like, the American people decided in 2017.
Jefferson. Miles, Sandy Hook, New Jersey. To Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The offshore waters forecast. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Westchester County in southeastern New York, east central Orange County in southeastern New York, Putnam County in southeastern New York until 2:15 p.m. At 1:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chester, or near Monroe, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near West Point around 1:35 p.m. Cold Spring around 1:40 p.m. Fronstock State Park around 1:55 p.m. Mahopec around 2 p.m. Carmel around 2:05 p.m. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Ended, sorry.
Here is a The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Fairfield County, eastern Putnam County in southeastern New York until 2:30 p.m. At 1:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pauling, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sherman and New Fairfield around 1:35 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Richard Bland is working on this around to the first holes, and now he's got this forward at 41 yards.
Here is a special.
We've been talking about all this history here.
The National Weather Service in New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fairfield County, South Central New Haven County, East Central Putnam County, and Southeastern New York until 2:30 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brewster, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Danbury and Ridgefield around 1:45 p.m. Newtown around 1:50 p.m. Monroe and Weston around 1:55 p.m. Fairfield and Trumbull around 2 p.m. Bridgeport around 2:05 p.m. Stratford around 2:10 p.m. Milford around 2:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The coast waters forward. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fairfield County, Southern Middlesex County, New Haven County until 3 p.m. At 1:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brookfield, or near Newtown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Southbury and Newtown around 2 p.m. Monroe and Seymour around 2:10 p.m. Naugatuck and Woodbridge around 2:15 p.m. New Haven and Hamden around 2:25 p.m. North Haven around 2:30 p.m. Wallingford and Brantford around 2:35 p.m. Guilford around 2:40 p.m. Killingworth and North Madison around 2:50 p.m. Clinton around 2:55 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
14 months ago, he's just been diagnosed with lung cancer last week.
Why is it so sketchy?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern. Severe thunderstorm warning has been until 2:45 p.m. for the following in New Jersey, Sussex and Warren and Monroe, Pennsylvania. Service in Camden has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Putnam County and northeastern Pennsylvania until 3 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Madden Fifth, or 10 miles east of 40. The national impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bushkill, Bingham's Ferry, and Hamilton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties: Pike, Pennsylvania. The severe thunderstorm warning for northern. The severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morris County, southern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 3 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stormville, or 11 miles southeast of Mount Pocono, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Hopatcong, East Stroudsburg, Hutchetown, Blairstown, Bangor, Stanhope, Lidcong, Belvedere, Oxford, Hope, East Bangor, Stormville, Broadheartsville, Greenville, Delaware Water Gap, Tannersville, Long Valley, Great Meadows, Vienna, Alamochi Panther Valley, and Readers. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 300 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey is and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Splitting the fairway. That is a goal for the rest of the field. No bogeys in the back.
Here is the
I
forecast
missed that one
for the New
for
York.
almost it.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York Harbor until 4:30 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of Mamaroneck Harbor to 9 nautical miles northwest of Upper New York Harbor, moving southeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Eastchester Bay and Mamaroneck Harbor around 3:40 p.m. Execution Rocks, Hempstead Harbor, Little Neck Bay, Manhasset Bay, and Upper New York Harbor around 3:45 p.m. Saddle Rock around 3:50 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
I'm glad I want my family food. That's not good.
Low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newark, Jersey City, Jamaica, Elizabeth, Flatbush, Bayonne, Hoboken, Plainfield, Linden, Coney Island, Summit, Milburn, Harrison, Rockaway Beach, Todd Hill, Crown Heights, the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, Huguenot, Kennedy Airport, and Forest Hills. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering a flooded road. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Essex, Hudson, and Union, and Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, and Staten Island.
On the racetrack that poor Denny didn't think he was a part of. Get him the whole story so he can make
The code
determination.
cast from
Came out for the 54 of Ty Gibbs.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County, Middlesex County, until 6 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near White House Station, or near Somerville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Manville, Flemington, Lebanon, Millstone, Flagtown, Colonia, and Belmead. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 12. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 21 and 34. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 22. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 125 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The coast. The National Weather Service up in New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, Fire Island Inlet to Morges Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, Long Island South Shore Bays until 7 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Jones in wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly
I
higher
got
waves.
so many alerts because I was outside the whole time.
Thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm
Guess that's what happens when you have 30 plus people at a party.
or greater. High waves,
Don't even know
lightning,
about.
and heavy rain are expected with this storm.
It's so itchy.
If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Alright, whatever. Of course. I'm way too itchy right now. I don't know what. I got so many mosquito bites.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Somerset County, northeastern Monmouth County, Middlesex County until 6:45 p.m.
The itch. It's
At
all over my
5:55
body.
p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Brunswick, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Somerville, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Middletown, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Seton Falls, Holmdel, Middlesex.
Can I get something?
And heavy rainfall this evening.
No.
Northwest winds. State 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 15. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 106 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Flash. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey until 8:45 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles south of Cliffwood Beach, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Seagirt Reef, Leonardo, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant, Belmar.
Shit.
Locations impacted include Seagirt Reef, Leonardo, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Atlantic Highlands, Meta, Swan Inlet, Monmouth Beach, coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire.